I lift up my cup of acceptance, and God is able to make all grace abound towards you, that ye always having all sufficiency in all things may abound to every good work. 2 Corinthians 9:8. We lift up our cup of acceptance to the divine bounty when we think affirmatively and give thanks to the giver of all life. Daily, we should practice affirming that our cup is filled and running over, always remembering that what we affirm for ourselves, we must affirm for others. Living and letting live, giving and receiving, loving and being loved. Our cup of acceptance will be filled from the horn of God's abundance. I am living in the continual expectancy that every good thing in my experience shall be multiplied. There is neither doubt nor uncertainty in my mind. Every denial is transformed into an affirmation, every negation into an acceptance, every no into a yes. I know that the Spirit of God has made me, and the breath of the Almighty has given me life. I have complete confidence in this Spirit. I know that I am beloved and needed. I feel at home with God. Today is filled with blessing for myself and others. The past is gone, and I gladly lose it and let it go. The present is filled with peace and joy, and the future with hope. Gratefully, I accept of the divine love and givingness and gladly extend them to everyone I meet. I am made whole with the wholeness of the Spirit. Gently, but with complete certainty, I am guided into right action and successful accomplishment of all good desires. This I accept, this I experience.